Hi! Hello world! It's good news! Congratulations Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. Megan Fox is pregnant. The actress announced that she and Machine Gun Kelly are expecting their first child together. As Megan wrote on her Instagram, nothing is ever really lost. Welcome back, referring to a previous lost pregnancy. Last year, Megan shared that she and MGK had miscarriage at 10 weeks. As she wrote about that experience in her poetry collection. Megan shared 3 kids with Brian Austin Green, Noah, Bodhi, and Journey, while MGK has a 14-year-old daughter, Cassie, from a previous relationship. Source from Entertainment Tonight. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.